Welcome to the world of personal branding photography, where creativity meets opportunity and you can turn your passion for photography into a lucrative business venture. In this video, we'll explore the exciting journey of how you can make money by harnessing the power of personal branding photography. So, if you're ready to capture both striking images and financial success, let's dive in. Making money with personal branding photography can be a rewarding venture that combines your passion for photography with entrepreneurial skills. This comprehensive guide will walk you through various steps to establish a successful personal branding photography business and generate a steady income. Understanding personal branding photography. Personal branding photography is about capturing images that showcase an individual's unique personality, skills, and brand identity. In the digital age, professionals, entrepreneurs, and influencers understand the importance of a strong online presence. As a personal branding photographer, you play a pivotal role in helping them stand out in a crowded marketplace. Hone your photography skills. Before starting your business, invest time in mastering your photography craft. Take photography courses, workshops, and practice regularly to improve your skills in lighting, composition, and editing techniques. Creating visually stunning images that evoke emotions will attract potential clients. Define your niche. Personal branding photography offers opportunities in various industries. Identify your niche based on your interests and strengths. Whether it's working with creative professionals, corporate executives, or lifestyle influencers, honing in on a specific niche will help you target your marketing efforts effectively. Building your brand and online presence. Establish a brand that reflects your style and personality. Create a visually appealing website showcasing your portfolio, services, and client testimonials. Utilize social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn to share your work, engage with potential clients, and build a community around your brand. Networking and collaboration. Networking is crucial in any business. Attend industry events, workshops, and conferences to connect with potential clients and collaborators. Collaborate with makeup artists, stylists, and other professionals to enhance your portfolio and open doors to new opportunities. Offer tailored packages. Each client's personal branding needs are unique. Offer tailored packages that cater to different budgets and requirements. Whether it's headshots, lifestyle imagery, or social media content, providing customizable options will attract a wider range of clients. Pricing your services. Determine your pricing based on your experience, expertise, and the value you bring to your clients. Research the market and competitors to set competitive yet profitable rates. Offering introductory packages or discounts for first-time clients can be an effective way to attract initial business. Deliver outstanding customer service. Exceptional customer service is vital for client satisfaction and positive word-of-mouth referrals. Communicate clearly with your clients, be responsive, and exceed their expectations in every aspect of your service. Happy clients are more likely to recommend you to others and become repeat customers. Marketing and promotion. Utilize various marketing strategies to reach your target audience effectively. Besides social media, consider email marketing, collaborations with local businesses, and running promotions or contests to generate buzz around your brand. The more exposure you gain, the more potential clients you'll attract. Print and product sales. Consider offering additional services like printing and creating customized products featuring your clients' images. Personalized photo books, wall art, and merchandise can add value to your offerings and generate extra revenue. Offer workshops and tutorials. Share your knowledge and expertise by offering photography workshops or online tutorials. Teaching others can be a great source of income and also establishes you as an authority in the personal branding photography field. Upsell services. After a successful photo shoot, offer your clients additional services such as seasonal updates or retouching packages to maintain an ongoing relationship with them and increase your revenue stream. Collaborate with influencers and brands. Partner with influencers or brands to create content for their marketing campaigns. Your photography skills can help elevate their brand image, and in return, you can gain exposure to a wider audience. Continuous improvement. Stay updated with the latest photography trends, editing techniques, and industry standards. Invest in new equipment as needed and keep evolving your skills to offer the best possible service to your clients. Client referrals and testimonials. Encourage satisfied clients to refer your services to others. Positive testimonials and word-of-mouth referrals can be powerful marketing tools to attract new clients. Remember, building a successful personal branding photography business takes time, dedication, and hard work. Stay persistent, provide exceptional service, and continuously adapt to meet your clients' needs. With passion and determination, you can turn your personal branding photography venture into a lucrative source of income and creative fulfillment. Thanks for watching.